Hello guys, this is just a quick one. You can see this trade, we took this trade around this point here for a buy. Then it the trade gave us like 1 2 3 4 5 candlesticks. Then this spike happened. This spike, all right, this spike happened. This one, it happened. So I know definitely that it's going to recover and to recover. So I didn't mean we have left our trade. So for the sake of those people who are trading on small account, you'll have maybe like almost like 10 or more than 10 candles for a buy. That's a profit, right? Now I'm operating on smaller account and also on bigger account. So I left the bigger account. I didn't close it, but I closed the one on smaller accounts. Now you can see this account is real account, right? For the sake of those people who are confused, if I'm trading on real account or on small account. So now the reason why I gave this crash 1000 in this a buy is this. Now when you check it on um M1 time frame, you will discover that the movement is just like top to bottom, from bottom to top stuff. That's from the support to resistance, from the resistance to support. But the trend we are having is a downtrend. Now let's go to another time frame, which is M5. Now you can see on M5, you can see the movement on M5, and also you can see the moving average. Okay, the moving average is going down. It's very slopey. We're going down. So what we are trading for now is to buy, and you can see even when we have closed the trade in we close at our entry point, you can see it's still buying, right? So now let's go back to another time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. You can see crash 1000 index are sold for a very long time. Okay, definitely there will be time it will have to recover small, probably retesting, and then continue through its downtrend movement. But let's check it till we get to like H4. Now let's go back to M30. So when I'm sending my signal, it's not as if I'm just sending based on just 1 minute or stuff. So you can see here um resistance, and also let's check again. Um we have support here. Okay, you can see we picked the trade from the support, and now we have another candle that just came up, which is going in massive profit. Now even if we have something like this, I'm just doing this on mobile. Okay, so if we have something like this and we have um another and we have another like this, so most of you guys, you know that I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, you can see it's as if it has gotten to our support here, like 1 and 2 touch, and it went up. Okay, so definitely it's still gonna buy. Now let's go back to another time frame, which is H1. You can see we have a shift, so definitely we should have another candle that will come up on H1. Now let's go to H4, where I'm gonna stop, see exactly what's happening on H4. Okay, so now look at the moving average. Look at the moving average. The moving average, you can see the resistance. You can see the resistance here. So definitely if this trade is not getting to that resistance point, and probably it will, sorry, if it's not getting to the resistance here, no, let me remove it. Okay, so if it's not getting to the resistance here, definitely it will get to half of this place for a buy. Okay, it will have to get to this point, or it will get to this point. So guys, you can see I know exactly what I'm saying, and I know exactly what I'm doing when I go for a buy. So you should not be panic. We are doing the technical analysis now. I do everything before I send on showing you the M1 stuff. So you just have to get out of the market for the spike not to go against you. Now if you're trading on higher time frame, you should not be scared of spike if your analysis is cool, if your analysis is good. So definitely guys, this will still buy. It will still buy. It doesn't matter if the spike happened or not, it's still gonna buy, because look at where the moving average is and look at where the resistance is. So that's just it for um crash 1000 index analysis. So let's check on D1. Let's see what's happening on D1. You can see we have a lot of resistance here. Definitely it will still buy, and we also have an uptrend already, but the uptrend, the candlestick has broken beyond the moving average, which we can probably say it will keep selling. But at least even if it's retesting on D1, if it's retesting on D1, definitely we still have a lot to get from our buy. Okay, you can see now, you can see I know exactly what I'm saying and I know exactly what I'm doing. If the spike didn't this spike didn't have happened, if this spike haven't happened, definitely we will have been in massive profit by now. But I told you guys to close at this point here so that it won't be as if those people who are trading on smaller accounts will be scared of the spike. Okay, so now I'm massively in profit on my bigger accounts, or let me say on the accounts that I'm managing, and I also have my own personal accounts. Now if I am sending signal, that doesn't mean I'm trading on demo. You can see this is real account, and in one of my video I've shown you the balance of this account, which it has grown more higher now. So guys, this is just the analysis for crash 1000 index. So if you see any retest on smaller time frame, you can still go for a buy. So that's it guys, thank you very much.